Sent him in day. It's finally the day, bro. As y'all can see, this is how the rear end looks. It's finally time for this part right here to not be bare. Yeah, y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we are finally doing the mods on the C6 Corvette, bro. Finna head over to my boy CJ's house. Yeah, like I said, spoilers getting added on. Reverse lights are getting changed. I'm about to unbox some of this stuff right now. Side skirts might be a bitch to install, low key. It's so cold outside, bro. My fingers hurt. It's like 40 degrees. Yeah, as you can see, this thing needs a front lip too. And I'm taking this part off. I do not like that. But yeah, I'm gonna set y'all right here and I'm gonna unbox some of this stuff real quick. Side skirts. Yeah, looks like these are the side skirts and the front lip, folks. Or this is the side skirts, I guess. Damn, I guess it didn't come in the front lip. Yeah, here are the side skirts right here, y'all, as you see. And I must show you. This is what I'm looking for right here. You gotta use this right here. It's the real deal. Bro, y'all, they really wrap these things up, bro. There we go. Finally. This is the real deal right here. This is what I've been looking for. Carbon fiber, bro. Whew, it's good. Get the fuck off me. Yeah, man, as y'all can see, here it is. We're gonna show you guys how it looks on the Corvette real quick. Man, close, nigga. You gotta slam it sometimes, folks. There we go. I mean, you can kind of see the vision. But I have to take off this whole entire thing right here first. But we'll do that over my friend's house. But yeah, we're about to head over there right now, y'all. I'm supposed to be over there at 12, bro. Look what time it is, man. Golly. Yo, CJ, if you're watching this video, man, I'm sorry. Alright, folks, we done got to my guy's house. He should be coming through this door any minute now. Let me turn my damn heat off, bro. It's so cold outside, bro. That's how cold it is, y'all. There he is. I don't see him, but I see that the garage open. Popcorn? Popcorn, anyone? Oh, that sounds pretty good, though. Nah. If my neighbor can't even hear you, what? That's a problem. Oh, she ain't come out of the house? No. I like this shit. No. Open the door. Open the door.
You want to do it right here?
Hold on. Oh.
In the sun?
Bruh. Turn that on. I want to hear that.
Where's it gonna go?
I need to hear this. Blueberry. All right, folks, part 2. It never fails, never fails. Huh? It never fails, bro. What? Let me move the vet now, bro. Yes, sir. I got my boy's car, though. Okay, we better go inside the garage, though, folks.
What the fuck? What you doing with my knife?
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, I stole it from you.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
You gotta put the jump scare in there.
Oh, on guard.
On guard. You need lotion instead of a sword.
Ow, damn. Damn. My fucking finger. Ouch.
Let's see here.
Now look lower. You know I'm still a monster truck. Look at this. Golly. Yo, I got scammed, bro.
Bro, look at this shit. This is what's in the picture. Hold on, we gotta scroll all the way. Look, this is in the picture.
Front splitter.
And he only got
and the side skirts like
spoiler,
right here.
Side skirts, but not
I mean, I bought the spoiler like separately, but like still, I'm supposed to get the front splitter. I didn't get it.
Amazon, what you doing?
Is it on there? It's not on there?
You didn't like how the front lip looks on the front.
I mean, they didn't give it to me. They scammed me.
There's with him.
Yep.
I looked at the reviews. Is he joining us?
We put him on top of the car.
Yeah, he joining us.
So like, to take that shit off, you have to get a T15 or whatever.
Damn, dusty ass boat. Look at all this white shit coming on.
The hell?
Dusty ass boat. This shit ain't been changed since it fucking came out in 2008.
Yep, since the golden ages. Dusty ass shit, bro.
Get out of the way.
Oh, my fault, good.
You need to get rid of these lights here.
Bro, for real, dude.
I don't like this shit dusty tail, boy.
Hell nah, dog.
Dusty ass tail lights, boy.
There we go. I have to push it out first. That's why I'm fucking stupid. Bro, a fat could not do this shit. It ain't no way.
I'll see if I can grab it. Nah. You putting Murnio to work now. It's your car.
Is it already time to use YouTube, guys?
Chris Fix here.
Golly.
Oh, fuck. We're fucked. I can't reach back down. That tab, I can't reach that. You looking at YouTube?
Yep. When in doubt, YouTube it out, goddamn.
It's that last part down there. That damn clip.
Oh, what the fuck?
I can't reach down there.
Damn. I broke something. Just pry this shit off. I don't want to fuck up my paint, though.
This nigga. He broke it.
I don't give a damn, bro. Fuck that shit. Get out.
Hey, you milk.
Let's go and resell this, folks. Good lord, brother. And then now.
Make sure this motherfucker works. Is that one turning on?
What the fuck? Hold up.
Okay, yours is not like a Camaro then.
Nope. I don't know what the fuck.
Just press the button.
It's like old school and new school at the same time. Like, what the fuck is going on here?
Old and new at the same damn time.
Oh, we on now, huh?
Yeah. Look.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. This is what we get down with. Ain't that right, Freddie? You right here. View this from here. Yes, sir. There we go.
It's the wrong one. Look.
Oh, it's the wrong side? Oh, shit. Ah, see here. Oh, yeah.
Go ahead now.
Here we go now. One side down, one to go.
Did you put him up there?
Yeah, I did. There we go.
On the wrap box?
Yep, fuck it.
Camera heavy, boy.
Shit could fall, I ain't gonna lie. There we go.
Right there.
Yes, sir.
Can't have your damn camera, bro. Look at him. Get to work now.
Oh.
Fuck that shit. Break it.
There we go.
Nah.
Oh.
Yes, there it is. There it is. We don't care about them.
Damn. I got it there.
Thanks for cleaning my windows with that laugh. Where the other ones?
Oh, appreciate that.
Ooh, look at them hands.
Oh God, bro.
See how dusty it is in now?
Oh my, I got the touch.
Fucking ancient ass car we working on here. Roger Boots hoodie on.
Yeah.
Wash your hands. Oh my God. Go ahead and turn it on.
There we go, job well done.
Your turn, you put it in there. All right, now don't break these. Get in there. There you go. Oh, damn.
Jesus
How can your skinny ass carry this shit? It's kind of heavy.
Hey, that's his workout.
muscles. Okay, I'm good.
Here you go, Benji.
Yes. Tidy right.
Can you fucking see?
No.
Hold on. How are you gonna catch these bolts if you can't see them? Does the new ones come with some?
Probably.
Cause I'm looking at this shit. You ain't gonna be able to catch them.
Then shit's gonna be
They
loose
just gonna
somewhere.
be inside your bumper. I can't see. You can't see.
But guess what? We guessing.
They was thinking right here, but right here they weren't thinking. They was like, let's put a bolt back there where they can't fucking see it.
Look at this shit, dog. What is this?
Rusty!
Hell no, Rusty.
Oh, rusty old boat.
That's his cheapest work, bro.
It didn't focus.
Rusty old bastard. Shit been in there before me and y'all was born. Don't fucking do
Oh,
it.
please don't. Oh,
Hell no, man.
What? You left me? I don't have one.
Don't be a fucking party pooper. It fucking comes home.
Shit cold as fuck, boy. What the hell? There we go.
This nigga. Any fucking day now. 2,000 years
Oh, is it?
later.
You have to unplug this shit?
Always fucking something with fucking Chevy. Every time you think something's easy, it comes with some bullshit.
Wait.
Ah!
I had to unplug this shit. That's why. There we go. I don't want it to fall down though. Stay there. Stay right there. Right there. Bro, look, dog. Fucking
You
cooked.
came here like that.
Boy! Yo, cat that caught my fiber.
Not SpongeBob. Help! Am I good? Help!
I'm not gonna help, bro. Hey, when in doubt, chat. YouTube it up, bro. I'm telling you. Show y'all chat. Yes, sir. We certified. Yo, S. You can't see it. You can tell it says something there, though. Yeah, they should know. They should know.
They know Extreme Online
Fucking
stuff.
bleeding, though. Damn, bro.
Bleeding?
Yeah. What
Even
kind
more
of?
ashier than before?
Yep.
The Chevy curse. There we are now.
Oh, the screw? Right there. One screw. Other screw in here. Power tools, folks. There we go.
There you go.
We certified.
Oh, got it.
All right, chat. Get it unlocked. I'm throwing the key in there at this point. You press the brake?
Yeah, I'm on the brake.
I don't know. No.
Bruh.
I think the car has to be on for that shit to work or some shit. What the fuck? Yo, what is it? Alright, fuck it. It was. I told you. You have to. It turned on now. Let's see. I'm turning strobe effect on though. Yes, sir. It works. Yes, sir. I like that. Yo, you gotta come back here and see the shit. I got you.
on the brake.
I'll do.
Oh.
See his reaction.
Woo!
We go off it.
Okay, man, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about.
Indeed, ski. Hatch ajar.
Turn it off. You're gonna stank it up in here.
Alright, now we figure out how to put the damn thing on. Hey, cuh.
A few minutes later.
Look at this video he watching. All this tape this man got. Focus, damn it. Focus. There. And this what he doing. Look at here, y'all. This nigga struggling.
Am I peeling the tape off or am I pulling off the adhesive? Like, what the hell going on here?
You making them noises, bruh? We just gonna watch as this nigga continues to struggle.
One eternity later.
Get in there!
Oh shit.
Ah, I told you that junk was sticky. That's why I didn't lay my side down yet.
How's this fucking thing go? Should we just unplug it and just plug it in the laughing?
Okay, you want to try it like that?
Yeah, fuck it.
Ah!
Hey, don't sit. Hey.
Something.
It just teleports.
These niggas piss me off. The struggle of finding a good video.
Bitch! What? You didn't even plug the shit in. I don't plug. Steven, please tell me something. Get on camera. I knew it. I knew these niggas.
They don't even focus on you.
Now how you gonna plug this bitch in?
What?
You plugged it in?
Oh yeah.
Already? Oh. Sure you plugged that bitch in?
Yes.
All the way?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm not paying that all the way.
Plug that bitch in.
Yes sir, y'all. It's the final product of the back. Yeah, we ain't done yet though. Woo! Love that, boy. I can't wait. Woo! Yes, nice, brother.
I'm taking this home.
I am not.
Here.
I'm taking that then.
Oh, no, you don't.
Now look at the side markers though, y'all. Whew. All that's next is the taillights, bro. I'm leaving those for last because that's gonna set off the whole entire rear end, bro. Oh, and the fog lights are white now too. Let me show you the fog lights. Yes, way better. We cooking. Oh my god, my hands. We cooking. Oh my god, dog, man, that shit's amazing, brother. Man, I'm supposed to be at work at 4 o'clock. I do not care, bro. Let's turn this off. Alright, y'all. Side skirt time.
The 3M tape is to just hold it until we drill it in.
Oh yeah, cause house. Oh yeah. I mean, it'll stay in place, of course. I mean, see how strong that shit was for this.
A few minutes later.
You see how the shit looks on the outside, though, folks. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. We in the spotlight. Damn, bro. C6 manual is now finally not stock, cosmetic-wise. Yes, sir.
About to get these side skirts on, folks.
All right, chat. There we go. Let's do his face. She better put it back in the garage, though, folks. Cause I'm done here now.
What is this track mode?
That's not track mode?
It's tour.
That shit was still loud. Oh my god, bro. I thought that was track mode what she read it in first. This shit's too loud, bro. We get Unc a free clip right here, y'all. Bring it to me now.
Yep.
Good.
There you go.
Now it's crooked. Oh well, fuck it. It's in here. Sheesh. Look mean. Alright, folks, gotta bring out the jack. Looks like he's walking a dog.
Yeah, that shit's staying.
Yeah.
Oh, you laid it on my drill. Alright, nice wing you got there, buddy.
Look at this.
Look at this Negro. Can't see.
So, hi guys. So today we're installing.
From the angle.
Yeah, we're installing. Sorry guys.
What the fuck, yo? This shit looks stupid as fuck. Y'all, CJ's in the house. I just hired a midget.
What you call me?
His midget cousins. All right, y'all. We are installing the reverse light. We got one more left. Then we got the other side skirt. That one's not on yet. So. Word. So this side has no side skirt. And there goes the other side skirt. Let's go, lads.
I use this as a stepping stool now.
Imagine like a truck. We got one side done. Now the other side, and then one more to go. We almost done. Too cold.
Tape now.
A few moments later.
Well, we got other bolts to put on the front, but here it is. It's already up, as you see. Sheesh, but I'm loving this, bro. Look at that. D-ski. Y'all get to see the reverse lights too.
Nah. Hand it on over donkey. Let's see what these reverse lights talking about. What doing? Ooh, look. Nah. Oh, look at this nigga. He modding.
Ooh,
A day full of mods.
day full of mods, bro.
My big ass.
Damn, dog. Yo. See this? Ooh, the brake light. See this, see. Sheesh. Nice. That looks good, bro. Holy crap, bro. Oh, yeah. There we go. The C6s came a long way just by adding on a few mods, yo. I can't believe this shit, man. Oh, just look at it, bro. Man, it's so cold out here, bro. Alrighty, y'all. The sun's gone. We're freezing. But folks, we took off that front part. I don't even know what you call that shit. Yes, this bullshit. The C6 is complete. Well, not right now, but you know. V1
for the day.
Yeah, complete for the day. We both put in that work, bro. Unk more, of course, definitely. The C6 right now, this is V1. It's still in progress, but side markers, reverse lights, side skirts, and no lip because I got scammed. Golly, bro, but yeah.
What y'all think? Y'all think he need a lip or just leave it?
Yeah, let me show y'all the front again, man. The lip for base models looks kind of sketchy. I kind of like it without it, honestly, but it does look bare. There you go, man. All in a day's work, folks. My guy CJ, aka Unk, once again, thank you so much, bro. Definitely gotta repay my man's back for that. We're finna go get something to eat. Get the rest of these tools up. We finna head out, folks. More tools. There you go now. Hope y'all do enjoy the video, though. Leave a like down below, subscribe, and comment on what else I should do to the Corvette. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Good boy, Unk fit, though. Yes, sir, he fitted up. Hey! Time to go to sleep. All right, y'all. Thank you, mans, once again, for helping me with the C6 mods and same to his girlfriend. But you finna head out. Oh, my God, dog. There you go now. Alright, y'all, we got RPD here. They're waiting for us, bro. Why are they there, bro? But yeah, we got C6. You said what?
This is Wendell. They ain't in the right area.
Oh, they can't pull us over then. They can't get us.
How far up your seat?
It's not that much. Woo! Nice. Yes, sir. I love it, man. So this is where the vlog ends, folks. Hope you guys all enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment. Anything else to say? Niggas.
Rolling